Welcome to the Omega AI training video series. In this video, I will show you how to use the email content section in Omega AI. Go to the left menu and click on Email Content. Choose the option of your choice. Now you are on Email Content section. You can write any AI-powered email content from here. Add document title, about, choose your language, your creativity level, phrase repetition level, input presence level, and variation. And your content is ready. You can either copy it or download it. Thanks for watching the video.